So I seen this recipe, right? It's like an Italian, Asian fusion dish. I've been making a lot of wontons and a lot of Potstickers, and I don't know, but of course when I seen this, Sunny sent it to me, and this is anything with ricotta cheese. This is her vibe, so I'm gonna see how I come out. Now, when you're doing this dish, it's very easy. You're gonna use a pound of Italian sausage first. Preheat your pan, throw that in. You don't want it broke down too small, not like you're making ground beef tacos. You want, like, you know, nice little chunks of Italian sausage. Brown those.
Swap the H and the S.
Set them to the side. Leave the oil, okay? Now, I don't know where y'all buy y'all Potstickers or wontons from. These are frozen Potstickers that you can get at any Asian market, even Costco. You're gonna put them in the pan, in that grease. Once you put them in the pan, you're on, like, I'd say medium, high. You're gonna go ahead and pan sear those for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then you're gonna add some water. Put a top on them, steam them. Now, this is supposed to be a vodka sauce, so add a little vodka if you want to. After you burn that vodka down, then you're gonna add your Italian sausage back in with the wonton. Go ahead and toss them. It doesn't matter if you brown the size of the Potstickers. I know when we make Potstickers, it's just the bottom is brown. You might add a little cornstarch slurry to get that little cornstarchy pancake. After you toss your Potstickers a little bit, then you're gonna add your spaghetti sauce. I use the carbone sauce. I didn't make my own sauce today. I use the carbone. That shit is like $10 a jar. I mean, if you wanna use ragu, shit, by all means. Then you're gonna add your seasonings. I use the Italian seasoning blend, a little bit of white pepper, onion powder, a little bit of chicken bouillon. Throw that in, mix it in. You're gonna add your tomato sauce, then you're gonna add probably like a cup of heavy cream, or a half cup, not that much, probably like a half cup. Then you're gonna get you some fresh parm. Grate that fresh parm over it, mix it in, and then you're ready to eat. Go ahead and plate the shit, put some ricotta on it. Some chives of parsley. And this is what you come up with. This shit look fire. I'm kind of skeptical though, because, you know, Potstickers have that, you know, umami taste inside the filling. I don't know about this fusion. I don't know about this tomato sauce shit with Potstickers, but we're gonna find out. Matter of fact, let's put some more parm on it. Yep. Let's put some more parm. Fuck that. Now let's see. This is one of them dishes where you mad that it's that good. Like, this shit is pissing me off. Like, why is this working? This shit fire. And it's super easy to make, I promise. This shit's super easy to make. I can't go too crazy on this because there's some shit I'll go crazy on. But like I said, recipe down in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that hype button. You get 3 hypes a week. Send me a hype. Throw my shit in the algorithm. My nigga, enjoy.